start the interview, take one.
I'm Cosimo Kosha. We own Adelaide Laundromats. We've been in the business for 20 years now. We got 4 laundromats spread out over Adelaide, and the last one we set up at Highbury about 6 months ago. We're an investor and we've got a few shopping centres, and the idea of setting up a laundromat came from the need to try and fill a tendency that we were struggling in one of our shopping centres that was in a back street. We found that it was successful and it achieved its purpose, so we were very, very happy to roll it out in all our other shopping centres. Richard J know this industry, so whenever I've got a question, if they can't answer it, they can get someone to answer it for me. I'm sometimes pretty creative with finding solutions for my customers, so you can't do that without a good partner. The equipment that they sold me was state-of-the-art equipment, has the ability to pump the detergent over long distances without loss of efficiency over time, and I wouldn't have been able to roll out detergent dispensing without that ability. I've had a lot of discussions with customers. I spent a lot of time in the laundromats. What I've found is the main reason that a customer uses a laundromat is for time savings and for convenience. They like using a laundromat simply because they can go in and get a week's worth of washing done using 3 or 4 machines, dry them within half an hour, and just over an hour have them folded and back in the car and driving home. So all of that, I think, is the selling point for a laundromat. Richard J supplied a payment system that has the ability to pay with a mobile phone, pay with a kiosk that's inside each of the laundromats. The nice thing for me is that customers can ring up with a problem and I can submit and start a run for them on a washer or a dryer remotely from my phone, and that has saved me a lot of time and saves the customer a lot of time. If anybody wants to get into the laundromat business, definitely recommend Richard J. They really do know their stuff.